Sometimes we just want to put new prices to our Easy Digital Downloads products, but we don't have enough time to edit all the products, because we have to change the price to each product individually, opening each product at a time, which will take us a lot of time and is a task that becomes tedious after a while. To help you with that, we have created the Easy Digital Downloads Spreadsheet plugin. This tool allows you to massively apply changes to thousands of products in just a few minutes. It contains a powerful bulk editing tool that will help you save many hours. The best part is that you can fully manage your products from one easy-to-use spreadsheet. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once you have installed and activated the plugin, you'll see a spreadsheet with all our products and their complete information. To edit product prices, you can do it individually in the spreadsheet by going to the column price, and edit it just as you would in Excel or Google Sheets. Just remember to save your changes when you are done. Now let's see how we can edit product prices in bulk. To do this, we'll open the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select the option that fits the rows you want to edit. In this case, we'll select this option to show you how the search tool works. Now you'll see that you can search for your products by keyword, author, categories, tags, and you can even enable the advanced filters to have more search options. In this case, we'll look for all products that contain the keyword fashion. So we'll enter the word fashion here and run the search. When the products have been filtered, we'll be redirected back to the bulk editing tool to continue editing. Now select to edit the price field. Pick the set value option here. Enter the new price. And execute the changes. As you can see, all our product prices were successfully updated. It's really easy and fast to edit the prices of your products thanks to the Easy Digital Downloads Spreadsheet plugin, and the best thing is that you can apply this and any other change to your Easy Digital Downloads products. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.